Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a tool that has totally changed the game for design. I mean, it's turned pretty much anyone with an idea into a creator. Yep, we're talking about Canva.
You know that feeling, right? You need to whip up a quick flyer or a post for Instagram. You've got this perfect image in your head, but actually making it happen? Ugh. It feels like you need some crazy expensive software or, I don't know, a degree in graphic design. Well, that exact frustration is where this all starts.
And that's precisely the problem Canva set out to solve. It's all built on this one really powerful idea. Design shouldn't be hard. It should be for everyone, no matter how much experience you have or don't have.
So how'd they pull it off? Let's take a look at what makes Canva so popular and, honestly, so powerful.
Okay, so at its core, Canva is just all about making things simple. Forget about confusing menus and a million different tools you'll never use. Their whole world is built around a super intuitive drag-and-drop interface. And that one thing, just dragging and dropping, gets rid of all the technical headaches. It lets you focus on being creative, not fighting with the software.
And what can you actually make with it? Well, the list is kind of staggering. I'm talking about everything from your everyday social media posts and slick presentations, all the way to things you can actually print, like business cards and flyers. You can even whip up a new logo, create cool infographics, and yeah, even edit short videos. It's basically a one-stop shop for all things creative.
All right, so if you're thinking, okay, I'm in, let's talk about how you can get started and what your options are.
So Canva basically has two main flavors, free and pro. And let me tell you, the free version is seriously generous. You can do a ton with it. But if you decide to go pro, you're unlocking a whole other level. You get access to all the premium templates, tons of storage, and some real game-changing tools, like the brand kit, which helps keep all your designs looking consistent.
And here's the best part. You don't even have to commit right away. Canva Pro gives you a 30-day free trial, so you can play around with all the premium features, no strings attached, and see for yourself if it's worth it for your workflow.
Okay, so you signed up, you're looking at the screen, now what? Let's dive into the three most essential tools. Think of these as the absolute building blocks for pretty much every single thing you're gonna make.
First up, and you could argue this is the most important part of Canva, are the templates. Seriously, think of these as your secret weapon. Instead of staring at a scary blank page, you get to start with a professional, great-looking design that's already done. All you have to do is swap in your own text, your images, and your colors. It's the fastest way to get an amazing result.
All right, next is the Elements library. And yeah, it's basically a giant treasure chest for designers. This is where you'll find literally millions of things. Shapes, icons, cool graphics, even little animated stickers. You can use them to add some personality, organize your info, and just make your design stand out.
And of course, we've got to talk about the text tool. This isn't just about typing words on a page. Oh no, you can create headlines, subheadings, regular text, and then the fun begins. You can customize everything with hundreds of different fonts, change up the colors, and even add cool effects like a drop shadow or a funky neon glow to make your words pop.
Okay, we've covered the basics. Now, let's get into the stuff that feels like straight-up magic. We're talking about the Pro Tools and the AI features that will save you an unbelievable amount of time.
Okay, check this out. One of the absolute best pro features is the AI background remover. You take a photo, any photo, and with one single click, poof, the background is gone. It perfectly cuts out whatever you need. This is a total game changer for product photos, headshots, really anytime you need a clean image without spending hours messing around in other software.
You know when you're just staring at the screen, trying to come up with a clever caption? We've all been there. Well, meet Magic Write. This is Canva's AI text generator. You just give it a little nudge, a simple prompt, and it'll spit out headlines, social media captions, whatever you need. It's literally like having a brainstorming partner ready to go 24/7.
But wait, the Pro superpowers don't stop there. You've got the brand kit, which is like a home base for your logos, your specific brand colors, and your fonts. This makes sure everything you make looks consistent. And then there's Magic Resize. This thing is unbelievable. You make one design, say an Instagram post, then with one click, it can instantly change it to fit anywhere else. A Facebook banner, a story, a YouTube thumbnail. It saves so much time.
All right, that's enough talk. Theory is one thing, but seeing is believing, right? Let's actually put all this stuff together and make a design right now, from scratch.
So here's the plan. We're going to take everything we just talked about and put it to the test. And here's the challenge. Can we create a professional-looking, awesome Instagram post in under a minute? Let's find out. Okay, let's start the timer now. Step 1. Find a template that looks good. Yep, that one. Step 2. Click on the text and type in our new message. Perfect. Step 3. We need a picture. Let's drag one in from the Elements library. Step 4. Let's change these colors to match our brand. Click, click, done. And the final step. Hit that download button. And just like that, we have a professional post ready to share. How easy was that?
And really, that's the magic of Canva. The tools are super simple, the whole process is incredibly fast, and what you can create is pretty much limitless. We just saw how easy it is to throw together templates, elements, and text to create something that looks amazing. So really, the only question left for you is, what are you going to design next?